In today's video, we have an interesting topic that will blow the minds of all passionate youngsters. We're going to discuss how to become a millionaire at the age of 20. Yes, you heard that right. By following a step-by-step guide, you can set yourself up for financial freedom and abundance at a remarkably young age. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to financial success, keep watching because this video is for you. Before we dive into the step-by-step guide, let me clarify one thing. Becoming a millionaire requires hard work, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. It's not an overnight success story, but rather a journey that requires discipline and perseverance. Step 1. Develop a millionaire mindset. Before you can achieve great wealth, you need to cultivate the mindset of a millionaire. Start by setting clear financial goals and envisioning the life you want to lead. Believe in your abilities and know that wealth creation is possible at any age. Surround yourself with positive, like-minded individuals who support your aspirations and can serve as mentors. Remember, success starts from within. Step 2. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power, and in the pursuit of wealth, education is key. Take advantage of the wealth of information available today. Read books, attend seminars, and enroll in online courses that teach you about finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Develop a deep understanding of money management, budgeting, and investing strategies. By becoming financially literate, you'll be equipped to make informed decisions and maximize your earning potential. Step 3. Create multiple streams of income. To accelerate your path to millionaire status, it's crucial to diversify your income streams. Relying solely on a single source of income can be risky. Explore different opportunities to earn additional income. You could start a side hustle, monetize your skills or hobbies, or even consider entrepreneurship. Embrace the gig economy and leverage technology to your advantage. The more sources of income you have, the faster you can accumulate wealth. Step 4. Saving and investing wisely. Saving and investing wisely are essential components of building wealth. Start by creating a budget and tracking your expenses. Find ways to cut unnecessary costs and save as much as possible. Once you have a substantial savings pool, educate yourself about different investment options. Consider stocks, real estate, or starting your own business. Seek guidance from financial advisors and make informed investment decisions. Step 5. Network and build relationships. Networking is an essential component of success in any field. Surround yourself with influential people who can open doors and create opportunities for you. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and engage with like-minded individuals online. Seek out mentors who have already achieved the level of success you aspire to. Building a strong network can provide invaluable guidance, support, and connections that can propel your wealth-building journey. Step 6. Embrace failure and learn from mistakes. Becoming a millionaire at such a young age is an ambitious goal, and setbacks are inevitable along the way. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity, and don't let it deter you from your dreams. Many successful millionaires have faced numerous failures before achieving their breakthroughs. Learn from your mistakes, adapt your strategies, and keep pushing forward. Persistence and resilience are key qualities of successful individuals. Step 7. Maintaining a positive mindset. Maintaining a positive mindset is crucial throughout your journey. Believe in yourself, visualize your success, and stay optimistic, even during challenging times. Surround yourself with positive influences, practice gratitude, and affirm your goals daily. A positive mindset will keep you motivated and focused on your path to becoming a millionaire. We've covered the strategies needed to become a millionaire at the age of 20. Remember, this journey requires hard work, dedication, and a commitment to your goals. It won't be easy, but it's entirely achievable if you follow these steps and stay persistent. So, take action today and start building your path to financial success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching.